The Dalai Lama turned 85 years old on 6th July. He is the spiritual leader of Tibet, a region China forcefully occupied and for the liberation of which there was a bloody uprising in Lhasa in 1959. Following the brutal crackdown, thousands were exiled and sought refuge in India, including the Dalai Lama, whose name is Tenzin Gyatso, who was 23 years old then. While the Dalai Lama is a revered figure across the globe and his words are often quoted in the media for its profound simplicity, and his infectious charm has won him followers who are non-Buddhists as well, however, he remains a sore point in India-China relations. China has seized at the Dalai Lama's presence in India for the past several decades and considers him an anti-China separatist, even though the Tibetan spiritual leader is mostly engaged in religious work. In 2017, China vehemently opposed New Delhi arranging a visit for the Tibetan leader to the Buddhist pilgrimage site of Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh, which China unlawfully claims. When a little boy named Eden Chokyi Nyima was named the 11th Panchen Lama, that is the second highest Lama of Tibetan Buddhism, on 14th May 1995, Beijing arrested him and he was never to be seen again. China instead installed its own 6-year-old Gyaltsen Norbu as the 11th Panchen Lama. Chinese Orthodox leadership has tried to assert control not only politically but also spiritually and culturally on the Tibetans. It rankles them that India settled the Dalai Lama and the thousands of Tibetans who followed him in the Himalayan town of Dharamshala in Himachal Pradesh, where he has been living in exile. There are over 80,000 Tibetans living in exile in India. For long now, a section within the BJP has wanted the government to send out a strong message to China by conferring India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, to the Dalai Lama. Amid the current tensions with China, at least in some quarters, this is again the renewed demand. However, no leader at the top rungs of the government has yet sent a greeting to the Dalai Lama on his birthday, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi.